Once there was a man with an inferiority complex. He felt he was no match to others and had no value in his life. One day he went to the priest and asked, "What is the value of my life?" And the priest gave him a stone and said, "If you want to know the value of your life, take this stone to the market, and if anyone asks the price, do not say a word. Just raise your 2 fingers." The man went to the market as the priest told. He was standing in the corner of the market, where many people would cross him. Then one woman approached him and asked, "What is the cost of the stone?" The man does not say a word, just raises his 2 fingers. She said, $2. I will take it." The man got surprised and came back to the priest and said, "There was a woman at the market who was ready to give $2 for the stone." The priest replied, "Now I want you to go to the auction arena, and if anyone asks the price, do not say a word, just raise your 2 fingers." The man went to the auction arena and stood in the hall with the stone. After about an hour, an old man approached the man and said, "Sir, are you planning to sell this stone? If yes, how much is this stone?" The man does not say a word. He just raised his 2 fingers. The old man said, $200. I will take it." The man again got surprised and came back to the priest and said, "There was an old man in the auction arena who was ready to give $200 for this stone." The priest replied, "Good, now the last place I want you to take the stone is the pawn shop in the city mall. If anyone asks the price, just raise your 2 fingers." The man went to the city mall. After finding it, he went into the shop. The shop owner saw the stone and screamed, "Wow, the stone! It is the one I have been searching for this many years. How much is it?" The man does not say a word. He just raised his 2 fingers. The shop owner says, $200,000. I will buy it. The man does not believe what he just heard. He came to the priest and said, "The pawn shop owner was ready to give $200,000 for the stone." The priest smiled and said, "Now do you understand the value of your life? Life is all about where you are placing yourself. Your value can be either $2 or $200,000. You have to decide. For some people you are just like passing clouds. They will use you and forget. And for them you will be worth nothing. But for some people you are everything. They will value you so much. They will never leave you. So, it is up to you to decide where you place yourself in life and value it." Moral of the story: each one of us possesses unique value in our life. We have to utilize it in the place where it is most valued. Because we are not given importance in some place or by certain people does not mean we do not have value in our life. We have to keep exploring and utilizing our talents and do the hard work. One day, we will find a place where they give importance to our value.